Monique with the Bedford Police Department, and I'm here at our 8th annual open house. We have some really fun activities tonight. We have WZID, Auburn Police K-9 will do a demonstration, Manchester Police Mounted Unit is here, and so much more, including cruiser rides for the kiddos, and maybe some for the naughty adults, but you don't want those. Anyway, let's walk around, talk to some people, and see what we have going on. I'm here with Lieutenant Michael Bernard of the Bedford Police Department. Lieutenant, can you please tell us about the open house, how it came about, and what people can look forward to seeing and doing while they're here?
So the open house started in 2012. The fire department did one every year, and we kind of helped them out. We set up a table, set up a booth, and we thought about, you know what, why don't we have our own open house? So we decided it would be June of every year. We figured summertime, right about when school gets ready to let out, we'll have the open house. So we decided to open our doors to people to come in to see what the police department's about. We started small. We had a couple vendors, we did some pizza, and then we progressed greatly over the last 5-6 years. These last 2 years, we brought in other agencies, New Hampshire State Police, the Mounted Patrol from the Manchester Police Department, the Sheriff's Department, the New Hampshire Liquor Commission. So we're slowly growing every year.
And what is your favorite part of the open house?
I think the favorite part is probably, I'd say the ice cream and the pizza, but I'd have to say the dog bite and then the taser demonstration. People really like the taser demonstration and the dog demonstration.
They certainly do. Lieutenant, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us.
Thank you for having me.
Hi, I'm here with Samantha. Samantha, is this your first year here at the open house?
Yes, it is.
And what's your favorite thing so far?
The SWAT car, which is right behind us.
The SWAT car. What did you like about it?
I liked the front, how cool. I like the back actually, and how you can open the top of it and then shoot out on the top and then close it back up.
That sounds awesome. All right, well, I'll let you walk around and check out all the other cool things. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I'm here with Tracy from Be Bold. How are you today?
I'm great, thank you. How are you?
I'm great, thank you. Can you tell us a little bit about Be Bold and how it first got started?
Well, Be Bold got started in late 2015. Myself and Joy Monfried started the group after Chief Berfonski had a big community event, and we were very moved by that event, so we started Be Bold.
What is Be Bold?
Be Bold is a drug awareness and prevention group comprised of volunteers, Bedford Police Department, professionals in the area, all to ensure that our parents and kids are educated about the dangers of substance abuse.
That's wonderful. If you had any message for the parents watching, what would it be?
It would be to talk to your kids, no matter what age, 2nd, 3rd, 4th grade up to high school and college. And look at the news, learn from the news, talk to your kids about what's going on in the news, and you talking to your kids is really the best education.
As a mom, I completely agree. Tracy, thank you so much, and I hope you enjoy our open house tonight.
Thank you for having us.
Thanks.
Real bad guys, he doesn't take me out.
here with Officer McKinney from the Manchester Police Mounted Patrol Unit. Officer McKinney, how long have you been with the Mounted Patrol Unit?
I've been with the Mounted Patrol Unit for about 3 years now. I worked for 16 years in the Manchester Police Department, and this has been my partner for the past 3 years.
And this is General. Hi. He's very handsome. I think he's hitting on me. Can you explain to everyone what the Mounted Police Unit does?
Well, we have a lot of functions. We actually visit a lot of the elementary schools and nursing homes in the area. We also patrol downtown and keep an eye on the parks and the cities. We've stopped cars, we make arrests, we write tickets. We do everything that the police officer does just from the back of the horse.
In general, what's your favorite part of being a police officer?
The food.
And there you have it. Thank you so much. All right, well, we're wrapping things up here at the 2019 Bedford Police Department Open House. We hope that you had as much fun as we did, and we hope to see you next year. Signing off, I'm Monique with the Bedford Police Department.